All right.
Do we always get 2? Let's try some extreme cases.
Okay.
So here we get 2 from these sort of curved edges. It divides the plane into 6 regions, and then there's only 2 vertices and 6 edges.
Nice.
We get 2. This one we also get 2. We have a central vertice and 8 other vertices.
Uh-huh.
And then 7 edges connecting to those, but
Yep.
only 1 region, so 2 as well. Here we have sort of a zigzag and get 2 from that.
Yep.
The square with the diagonal through it gives us 2. These 3 triangles connecting gives us 2, and this sort of rectangle or triangle with a rectangle below it gives us 2 as well.
Interesting. Certainly seems like you always get 2.
Yes, we do. And yeah, here are some more examples.
Okay.
You get 2 here from these 5 vertices, 7 edges, and 4 regions. 2 here, you have 6 vertices, 10 edges, and 6 regions, gives us 2. 5 vertices, 7 edges, and 4 regions, gives us 2. And 9 vertices, 12 edges, and 5 regions gives us 2.
Are you surprised on something like this when you just have kind of a single one sticking out that it doesn't change anything?
Well, since you're subtracting the number of edges from the number of vertices, if they do cancel out in this way, but yes, it is kind of a surprise.
All right. Yeah. So okay. So what do we got here? Let's try this graph. Ooh.
So this is sort of like a triangle floating inside a pentagon, and we get 8 vertices, 8 edges, and 3 regions, so that gives us 3. And he says this graph is not connected. We can connect the 2 components by adding an edge, and once you do that, adding an edge, you do get 2. So the graph has to be connected.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so there was something unusual about this graph, and it wasn't connected. So what do you think connected means?
Well, maybe starting at any point, you have to be able to get to every other point.
Okay.
And in this case, in this graph, it's not the case because you have these inner 3 vertices, and you can only get to the other 2 starting from one of those, but you can't get to the outer 5.
Yeah. All right, and then he asked you to make your own.
Yeah. I just made a sort of a random graph here, and that also worked.
With 2, got 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, cool. Let's go to the next video, and then we'll turn the page.